Indian savory. He's making Gulkand faluda. He's taken 3 scoop of ice cream. Then he put some tutti frutti and some of Gulkand syrup. That is called rose syrup. And you can see he's making. This is Kanhiya ice cream in Dehuroad in Pune. Yeah, it's called sorbet. One of the sorbet. Yeah. And he's putting some of sabja. This is kind of vermicelli which is soaked in some sugar syrup and some of the some essence. He's making a sweet. It's like sorbet. And I'm taking a parcel from him. If you test it, this is Indian savory. It's very beautiful, very delicious. And you can see this is kind of cone also. This he will put some of the custard. He's putting some custard here. See, yes, he will put some custard. He's pouring the custard. This is called Gulkand faluda. It is in India nowadays. In summer, it's very famous, and everybody choice of native people. It's pure veg. Basically, this is after lunch, dinner. You can have it as a dessert, as a sorbet. You can say it is famous in all over India as well as in the world also. You will taste very smooth, good. So hope you like this video, and you can make in the home also like this. Please subscribe the channel Atul Exploration of the world, and you get loads of videos like this. So from the Kanhiya scheme, and have a nice day. Bonjour. Keep laughing, keep eating. Have a nice time. Bye bye.